Hey guys! So for this look, I'm creating something safari inspired with different gradients of green exuding that modern city jungle vibe. If you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching. First up, I'm using my Cover FX blurring primer on areas where I need the pore coverage. And for the extra glow, I'm going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer on the high points of my face. Then I'm going in with my Burberry Cashmere Soft Matte Foundation as my base. This is a medium to high coverage foundation that's good for oilier skin. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer for my under eyes. And to set my under eyes, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Setting Powder. My shade is in Banana. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance to prime my eyelids. And then for the eyes, I'm using the Maybelline City Mini palette in Urban Jungle. I'm taking the champagne shade to apply on the inner corners of my eyes. And using the Maybelline gel liner and removing the excess on the back of my hand, I'm gonna apply it on the bottom and upper lash line. And I'm creating that flick on the outer corner for that cat eye effect and joining it with my upper lash line. Just make sure that you are joining the top and the bottom gel liners. For the crease, I'm using a matte light grey shade from another palette. You can use any palette that you have. I happen to be using one from NARS. And going back to that same palette, I'm picking up this silvery shimmery shade to apply on my outer corner. I'm being more precise with this to keep it within my outer V so that we can see the gradient. Next, I'm applying this lovely moss green shade in the middle part of my eyes. This is my favorite color from this palette. It looks so multifaceted and it looks like a different color from different angles. I'm picking up this forest green shade to apply on my outer V to smoke out the look a little. Then I'm taking a matte black shade from any palette that you have to blend the gel liner inwards towards my eye. This will help to darken the corners and help to make it more smoky and sultry. And lastly, I'm going in with the gel liner to redraw on the areas that was smudged out just to intensify the liner. And to ensure that everything is blended out nicely, I am taking my blending sponge and bouncing it over the edges. To intensify the glow, I'm taking that champagne shade to reapply on my inner corner. I'm taking that moss green shade that I used for my upper lid to apply on my lower lash line. And the light grey shade to just smoke it out and blend it. Here, I'm just neatening up the areas where the gel liner got blended away. And I'm using Benefit's They're Real Mascara for my lower lashes. For brows, I'm using my trusty duo, the Etude House Pencil Liner and my Nudestix Gel Liner. I don't know about you, but watching people do their eyebrows is not my favorite thing. It's not very exciting, but bear with me. This is going to end in 3, to when. For nose contour, I'm using Benefit's Hoola bronzer, and this is the part that I botched up a bit because I didn't notice I did not blend the lower part of my contour properly, so you gotta bear with seeing that awkward blob of brownness on the bottom of my nose. And for highlight, I went in with my Nudestix Hey Honey and taking the beauty sponge to just make sure everything is well blended out. For blusher, I'm using Tarte's Amazonian Clay in Party. It's really spelled with 3 A's. Yeah. And to complete the look, I'm finishing off with my 3CE Velvet Lip Tint in Going Right. This is a nice peachy coral shade that is not too nude, and it goes really well with this bold eye look. So that's it, guys. I hope this tutorial has been useful, and if you recreate this look, let me know, send to me, share some love, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.